Do, 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 do. Nothing. Suspension tank. Okay. See. Save game. Save on 3. Save on 3. Elevator inoperable as soon as you need more power than emergency power can handle. Okay. So go to 6. Ow. No, pay. Oh my gosh, pay attention to the stupid door frame, it tells you. Yeah, it's outlined in red. Pay attention. Let's go to 6. Steel. Sniper rifle. Question is, did I get this sniper rifle? No, I did not. So what if I sneak and then steal? Aha! So I haven't been getting that stuff after all. So many charred bodies. Plasma rifle? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ammo. All these people have ammo, but no guns on them. See a generator. Power management. Primary power. Here. It's just going to disable. This is the main power. This skill finally going to come in handy. Failed to start up the generators. Aha! Interesting. Gained a level. Let me actually use the books. Oh, no. I remember something. Okay. Power management, primary power, reinitialize. We have power, people. Nice. Let's see. Good. Oh, what the? Robot is alive? Ooh, wow. Doom, doom, doom. Severely wounded. Okay, so they don't seem too tough. Alright. Good to know. Oh, it bounced off. Oh, well, they're built tough. Main security under attack. Connecting. Alright. Nothing. And nothing. Okay. Oh shoot. Minor damage. It's shot in the back. Hello. How are we doing? This dog teeth. Must be running away. Boom. How is your Friday going? No damage. No damage. Your attacks tickle me. Boom. Your attacks tickle. skeptical. Ha ha. Hee hee. Alright. If I can disable the security now. Access main menu. Security information. Deactivate security robots. Command executed. Terminate program. Alright. I'm Zach, machine intelligence controlling. I want to play a game of chess. I would be delighted. Excellent form. However, you need additional practice to defeat me. Play again. Alright. Apparently I'm not that great. Oh, you receive a large dose of radiation. No, inventory. Pop some pills, shall we? I'm probably highly radiated. Probably. The Geiger counter's probably going way off the scale. Probably like, you've got so much radiation. It's poisoning your system. Do. Level 5. What is this? Go and disable the power. We disabled all the robots. We're good. Boom, boom, boom. Ah, holodisk. Nice. Good. We can use all the rating things we can get. Yes, yes. Because we are saturated in radiation. Boom, boom. I think the last time I was in here, I had like over 300 radiation. 300 rads. Nothing. Well, this room was pointless. Ooh. Oh, I'm full. Yeah, I'm full. Alright, let's see here. Books, more books. We'll add that. We'll add this. See what else is in here. Another hollow disc. Okay, we added everything to our pit boy. I don't want to rest here. Let's see. Power spec, text, pressure. Oh, wow. That was a lot. All right. Log date March 21st, 2075. Major Burnett was ordered experiments with batch 10-011 of primary variant, the pan-immunity variant, which has been renamed FEV for forced evolutionary virus. His main concern is with the side effects of the quad helix structure rather than its main effect of replicative stability. He believes the new structure is the next logical step for mammalian nuclei. Experiments with single-cell organisms is a great success, while their basal metabolism appears unchanged. Their immunity to infectious and radiation is exceeding all earlier expectations. Addendum: Chloroplasts seems unaffected by the variant. Further experiments on plant cells have been cancelled by order of Major Burnett. Log date May 9th, 2075. We infected several species of flatworm with FEV. Within hours, the worms had increased in size by 28%, and 39 separate viral contingents were resisted by the population. Each sample was allowed to continue for several generations, and the new DNA structure was successfully passed on to worms' progeny. Although only asexual reproduction was noticed in the samples, experiments with insects have had less success. Major Burnett has postponed these experiments until further notice. Log date June 30, 1975. Several lab strains of white mice have been affected successfully with FEV. Again, the increase in size was noted within hours, and after 9 days, all mice had stabilized at 31% larger than the control group. This dissection revealed the most increase in size is saturated muscle tissue and certain internal organs, such as the liver, heart, and kidneys. In a surprising finding, the infected mice were found to run mazes in less than half of the time of the control group. More testing will be needed to confirm these findings as significant. Log date November 9th, 2075. We have infected 218 rabbits with FEV. Half of the subjects were implanted with electrodes to monitor EEG activity. I almost wanted to say egg. Before and after the infection. Increased electrical activity in the brain was noted in 3.2 seconds on average after injection. Again, the typical size increase was noted. However, increased aggression and posturing. I think this is the super mutant virus. However, increased aggression and posturing, especially among males, was noted as well. Sacrifice and perfusion yield brain tissue that showed increase in dendrite connections, especially in the limbic system and frontal cortex. Log date January 12th, 2076. With batch 11-011, we have improved the mitotic cycle efficiency by 43%. We have infected 53 raccoons with the new strain, in addition to the new expected size increase. Behavioral tests confirmed an increase in intelligence and manual dexterity by 19 points on the Sheckler-Kappa index. Unfortunately, several subjects escaped confinement and had to be hunted down and dispatched. Major Burnett ordered the remaining subjects terminated. 2 pairs were unaccounted for. Log date May 13th, 2076. Ooh, we're getting closer. We have spliced several new gene sequences supplied by Major Burnett's adversary team into FEV. With batch 11-101A, we infected 23 dogs of both pure and mixed breed, and all experienced nearly immediate growth. Nearly immediate growth. The larger size was accompanied with increased aggressiveness. While no significant intelligence increase was noted, we plan to attempt crossover of 92 Ali pairs with batch 11-011. All subjects were terminated after 14 weeks of study. Ooh. Log date October 4th, 2076. The crossover has been completed and 15 chimpanzees were infected with batch 11-111. Growth and immunity levels are unprecedented. Blah. Attempts to induce cancers to the subject. What? To the subjects through radiological and chemical agents were not successful. Increased aggressiveness have led to isolating the subjects. 2 subjects suffered violent epileptic seizures and died. All remaining subjects terminated. Wow. Log date January 7th, 2077. We are almost on the bomb day. Major Burnett was ordered transfer of all FEV research to the Mariposa military base. He plans to continue the project experiments on volunteer subjects. I am against this and would like to note, and like it noted here, that research on human subject is not recommended by myself or my staff. Wow. Can I read this one? Captain, hold on. Have I read this? Yes, I've already read that. Probably should have did this much better. Okay, not that one, not that one, not that one. We've already done that, and that's the record. So it must be Alpha and Delta experimental tape. No, not Delta. Oh, no, it was Alpha. Okay. Prototype Pan Immunity Virus Project. In the hopes of centering the current bacterial and viral agents employed by the Chinese government, we have manufactured a virus fragment consisting of ribonucleic acid RNA. Encased in a protein lipid stealth or sheath, this variant contains a specifically arranged sequence of radiated amino acids, ARR, that are capable of attaching to the non-specific binding sites on Deox. Yeah, that word. Acid. DNA. The force a non-replicating mitosis to occur. The resulting host cell is left with a quadruple helix DNA structure. Early tests are promising. The variant easily penetrates the cell's membranes and attaches directly to the host DNA in the nucleus. Mitosis of these structures begin almost immediately. Cytokinesis? Scientific words. Is preventing by controlling the deposition of the chore fibers during anaphase. The entire metric cycle lasts approximately 2 hours, although phenotypical experiments of the new structure may take days or weeks to become apparent. In addition to the effective immunity to bacterial and viral agents, the quad helix structure is almost entirely immune to errors introduced in base pairing during replication due to multiplicity of the base sequence. Radiation exposed tissue showed no mutation in the base sequence, and protein synthesis mechanisms in the ribosomes were unimpaired. This is tougher than I thought. Over 80% of the sample tissues contain quad helix DNA. Most affected was muscle and bone tissue, as well as secretory cells. Secretories? Yes, secretories? As these cells seem most receptive to variant. Sensory cells are the least affected. Surprisingly, even normally non-replicating nerve cells and non-somatic cells were introduced to begin mitosis. Further experiments will be necessary to determine the results of these cells. And then Delta. Oh wow. The military has deemed it necessary for us to research further into the depths of the effects of the wave technology upon living organisms. We have taken light and sound as the basis of our studies. By manipulating and amplifying of the light waves and magnifying the frequency, we have been able to get lasers which will cut through a few feet of steel. Unfortunately, the power to do such a task has not been successfully developed. We have other scientists looking into this. All right. Whew. Let me tell you, that okay, got stuff here. Can't take. Ooh, machine gun. A lot of this will sell nicely. Microfusion cell? What is this? Oh, a stealth boy. Oh, it's too heavy. Ooh. Laser pistol? Okay, so we need to come back. Alright, so we got one elevator. So let's go sell what we got, and then we'll come back.